Creating an e-portfolio in Wix is a great way to showcase your work, skills, and achievements in a professional and visually appealing way. Here's how to build one. Sign into Wix. Log into your Wix account or create one if you don't have an account. Click Create New Site and select Portfolio from the site categories. Choose a template. Wix offers various pre-designed portfolio templates that are easy to customize. Choose one that suits your style and needs. Click Edit to open the editor. Customize the design. Replace the template's placeholder text and images with your own content. Use Wix's drag and drop editor to rearrange elements and add new sections, like a contact page, about me, or gallery. Add key sections. Add a portfolio gallery to showcase your work, and provide descriptions for each project. Include an About Me section to give context to your skills and experience. Consider adding a blog or testimonial section if relevant. Publish your site. Once your portfolio looks good, click Publish to make it live. Share the link with potential employers or clients.